In the recitation of the Warsh, which is the accent or pronunciation of the Quran, the kirat that people in Western Africa that they recite, majority of people there, what happens is you have a rule called the mud badl, and what that is you have the Hamza letter followed by a mud letter. That is Hamza followed by Alif, or Hamza followed by Ya, and Hamza followed by Wow. And what happens is the reason that it's called mud badl, like you see the word Amana, what happens originally was Amana, and the second letter it changed badl into an Alif. So they call that mud badl. And what happens in the rules of the wash when you have the mud badl, you don't just recite it 2 harakat, you recite it, you can do 2 or 4 or 6. So over here in Hafs you just say Amana, Warsh you could do the same. In Warsh you could also do Amana 4, or you could do 6 Amana. And the one that's most commonly done in Warsh is the 6 harakat in mud badl in the word. And then also you have over here Ra'al-ladina. This one here, if you stop on it, you would say Ra'a. You could do 2, 4, 6, Ra'a 2, or Ra'a 4, or Ra'a 6. And keep in mind, Warsh, the Ra over here is pronounced with Taqleel, the Ibala Sugra, so it's not full heaviness of the Ra. But when you connect on this, you don't have the mud badl because it's connected to the letters after. Say Ra'al-ladina, that's how you connect it, it's not extended. And the other examples, you don't just stop with just the Alif, but you have the Wow also. You say Waba'u 2, or you say Waba'u 4, or Ba'u 6. So you can do 2, 4, 6 on the badl. And also when you say Muhstazi'un, the same thing with the that's a Hamza followed by Wow, you can do 2, 4, 6. And Imanikum, with the Ya, you could do 2, Imanikum, or 4, Imanikum, or 6, Imanikum. And again, that's the Hamza followed by a mud letter, Alif, or Ya, or Wow. Then you could do 2, or 4, or 6. And that's a rule in the Warsh when you have the Hamza followed by a mud letter. The mud badl they call it, because the second letter used to be Hamza, changed into a mud letter. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.